Alright, here we are. Christmas Eve, 2023. Melis, Bestest Maverick. Let's go get it. Okay, that's what I was gonna say. Yes, birdie. That's good.
No, that's not good.
No.
Starting.
Safe. There you go. That's it. Now stay. Oh no. If you film it, you can film how close I missed it. Terrible.
Starting now.
Shot. Hole 15. You're gonna get a birdie on this one. Yeah.
This might have to be your play from now on, John. Why don't you just do that?
Oh! Man! That would have been nice. I'll think about what I just did.
Starting.
I'm gonna be a better disc golfer.
Starting now.